picked up the rayo saag. Now I'm going to wash it and dry it in the sun. I've already washed it and I'm going to let it dry in sun for 3 or 4 hours to make it a little bit softer. These mustard seeds are now dried, so now I'm going to cut it in small pieces. Now I'm gonna beat a little bit to make it even softer. So just beat like this. So now this is finished. Now I'm going to put in a bottle, and you need to press really hard in the bottom. So you need to press really hard in this bottle. So now this is ready. I just put the lid and just put it in a sun in around 1 week, and once it started to come nice smell, you can take it out and dry it in a sun. Okay, after 2 weeks, this is nicely fermented and it smells really nice. Now I'm going to dry in the sun. So I'll leave in sun to dry this one for 2-3 days. After 2 days, the Gundruk is dry. Now this one is ready to eat.